in this video you know about how many gallons of water in a 27-foot round pool, that is 48-inch deep, 52-inch deep and 54-inch deep. You have to figure out the quantity of waters in gallon to fill a 27-foot round pool at different depth of the pool. First, here we make a rough diagram. This is the cylindrical shape pool, and this one is the diameter of pool, which is given 27 foot, and this one is the height of pool, that is 48 inches deep, means 4 foot, 52-inch deep, that equal 4.33 foot, and the third one, that is 54 inches, that equal 4.5 foot, and this space are filled with water, and you have to figure out the quantity of water in gallons. And there are formula to figure the volume of water, that is d square, means diameter square, multiply the depth of pool, multiply 5.9. This is the simple formula to figure out the quantity of water required to fill a round pool. First, we calculate the amount of water at 48-inch deep. At 48-inch deep, the required volume of water, that equal diameter square, means 27 multiply 27, the depth of the pool, that is 4 foot, and factor, that is 5.9, and after multiplication the volume of water will come about 17,205 gallons. It means at 48-inch deep you need about 17,000 gallons of water to fill 27-foot round pool. And now calculate the volume of water at 52-inch deep. The volume of water required is equal the diameter square, means 27 multiply 27, the depth of the pool, that is 4.33 foot, and the factor, that is 5.9, and after multiplication this will come about 18,624 gallons. It means at 52-inch deep you need approximately 18,624 gallons of water to fill 27-foot round pool. And now calculate the volume of water at 54-inch deep. The volume of water is equal 27 multiply 27, and the depth of the pool, that is 4.5, and the factor, that is 5.9, and after multiplication this will come about 19,355 gallons of water. And this is the calculation to figure out the gallons of water required to fill 27-foot round pool at different depth. Thank you.